Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of our festival series. You guys just saw me get ready in this look right here, and next I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair. So this is a really fun festival look using our new Lime Prime Unicorn Hair Rainbow Mist. There's 8 colorful shades in the Rainbow Mist, and then there's 2 glitter shades called Star Mist. So I'm going to be using the shades Sweet Tea and Lollipop today. I'm going to be doing varying colors on my faux bangs, and then I'm going to be showing you how I run some of the color through a ponytail and then kind of turn it into a really funky hairdo. So to get started, you're going to want to protect your clothing because this does transfer to clothing. And also while you're spraying, because it's a super fine mist. In fact, I'm going to move my backdrop. So you're going to want to protect your clothing and also put on some gloves so it doesn't stain your hair, especially if you've just gotten your nails done. You'll want to make sure that your hands are protected. So I'm going to start out using Sweet Tea and just spray different sections of my hair and give it a good shake. And you can see the color, so I think I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth. So now that I have my bangs the way I want them, and you can just kind of like go back and forth and do a mix match. So I did the 2 colors on my bangs, which I think looks super cute. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to take the majority of the top of it. You're going to want to put it into a high ponytail first, and I'm going to spray the majority of this with Sweet Tea. So I'm going to show you how I do that now. For watching. That's it for me today. Hopefully you enjoyed this festival hair look using the new Unicorn Hair Rainbow Mist in the shade Lollipop and Sweet Tea. That's all I have for you guys. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching.